Brad Williams, XL Primed. How about rounding all numbers to end in 0.97? Let's take a look here. Now, the trick here is to think through this. What do we have to do? We know in the past we were looking at rounding using 0 as the num digits. Why do we need to use 0? Well, because we need this 1010 to show up as 10. And how do we do that? Well, we just put a 0 here. Put a 0 here, 967. What's it going to do? Round is always going to round up. So this 967 is going to 10 bucks. 4028 is going to round down. Why? Because it's less than 4050. 4548 it's going to round down. And then 5 is going to go to 5 bucks, 501. Then all we're going to do is subtract 3 cents. We can do this with any number. We can do it with 48 cents or 47 cents or what have you. We're just going to have to put a larger number there. In this example, the price should be rounded to the nearest value ending in 0.97. If a price is currently $32.82, for instance, the result should be $32.97. The most effective way to approach this problem is to reword it as a round price to the nearest whole dollar minus 3 cents, as I was just explaining. In other words, the solution consists of 2 steps, rounding and subtracting. For rounding, we use the round function with the num digits set to 0 to eliminate decimal places. With a 0 argument, the round function rounds to the nearest dollar. After rounding, the formula subtracts 3 cents to yield 97 cents. That's it. We're going to look at a number of other examples, but that's just a quick explanation of how to manipulate numbers with the round and a simple subtraction. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks.